All right, so it is Jamaica 0, the US and A 5. Now, it was evident in regards to class. It was evident in regards to class, the difference between both teams. One is world champion, one is still getting their footing together. One rank in the top 5 of the world, top 1, top 2, top 3, one rank in the top 50s. It's evident. No, nonetheless, the girls tried. Guys, please smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. We're going to get some details. We're going to have a small discussion on the notion that people are not understanding what's happening. So let's first start off. Let's first address this. Nothing's wrong with being critical. And nothing's wrong with saying that you are real. But saying that you are real, does it really shows your support? No, I've seen many people coming at me about I'm delusional in regards to me supporting the Reggae Girlz playing against the USA. People are saying that I am delusional because I am supporting the Reggae Girlz playing against the USA. So they are saying that I should not want the Reggae Girlz to win or defeat the USA team. So they are saying that I am delusional. Is it delusional to want something, to dream and hope for something? It is delusional to say that one day I might just jump off I might end up in Mars. I might find aliens in Mars, that I might find aliens, because I will never be in Mars. I'm not an astronaut. So that is delusion. But for me to say I want the Reggae Girlz to defeat the USA female team, that is not delusional. That is me supporting a team. Many of you people are saying that I am delusional, support football clubs, and you'll go to the ends of the earth for that football club. But when it comes down to the national team now, everyone is delusional, everyone is BS, everyone speak. It's either you're delusional or you're critical. There's no level ground. For me, you can keep calling me delusional. I support the Reggae Boyz and the Reggae Girlz. It doesn't matter who they're playing. I can be real to say before the game I said, okay, this is a strong team. This is a far better team than us. But I still want us to win. I'm still backing my team to win. That's not delusional. That's not delusional. People, come on. There's no supporters anymore. We know all the issues that Jamaican football has. But come on, there's no supporters. No one wants to support anymore. Everyone wants to be real. Everyone wants to be critical. Everyone wants to be so hate-driven. You must have a problem with something. You must have an issue with something. Come on, people. Let's do better than that. All right, so that's enough of the ranting and people calling me delusional. You can keep on calling me delusional. Anyways, all right, so the Reggae Girlz faced the world champions and they got trashed. That's just it. They got trashed. Really, really bad beating. Now, there are some individual errors that can iron out to minimize the margin. But nonetheless, the USA team, they are a class. They have world-class players in their team. Yes, the Reggae Girlz also have world-class players. But you can see a team that have been training for a long duration, understand that particular system, understand how they play, knows what they want, knows how to play with the ball, without the ball, the transitional aspect. They have a pattern of play, a style of play. It is evident how they play. Surprisingly, I'm surprised that the coach didn't pick up on that. We basically abandoned the width of the pitch. We abandoned the width of the pitch. Nonetheless, the wide areas is where the USA team is strongest. Whoa. The wide areas is where the USA team is strongest. Can you imagine? And we abandoned the width. And guess what? That is how they hurt us. They really, those diagonal crosses, those tremendous diagonal crosses, and those whip inside. Someone in the comment section said the USA wasn't whipping the ball. It was actually whop, 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 whop. Yeah. Skilly boom. Yeah, that's what it is. They play some fantastic football. And that is the level that we want to be. That's the level that we aim to be. And it's evident the difference in quality. It's evident. Now, nonetheless, the girls tried. You can still see the girls playing out from the back, trying to implement their characteristics. They're trying to implement their personality on the game, but it's just off. Khadija Shaw had a poor game, a really poor game. Her legs looked heavy. She wasn't running channels. She tried to hold on to the ball. She was getting bullied. I was really surprised. Unfortunately, even Drew Spence was on the bench. No Drew Spence. The entire fan base was crying out for Drew Spence because we know the quality that she is, and we didn't get to see her until later in the game. But Blackwood didn't have a good game as well. Got beaten a couple times. Well, one of the times she got beaten was, I think, was the first goal, which was led. No, it was the second goal. I think it was the second goal. Like the player flicked over her head and then just went inside and just boom, beautiful goal as well. Lovely goal. I think it was Smith. She scored a lovely goal. But that USA team, on a personal aspect of things, individually, they have top players individually, and that is the reason why the result look like that. Nonetheless, I hope and pray that the coaching staff would have seen how the USA team played and realize our deficiencies and try to fix those aspects. Because the positive about this game is that we have played against the best the best of the best. We have played against the best of the best. A few of their top players were actually missing. Morgan, Pion, these guys were missing. But guess what? Guys, female, Raponi. Anyways, they were missing. But you can see how they play, and I'm hoping, as I said, that the coaching staff look at these small aspects and said, okay, we can add that, we can fix this, we can work on that. They exploited this area, that's so we can straighten on that. So this would have identified the issues in the team that we need to fix. We can fix on that. For example, we manage the entire 90, so fitness is not a problem. But the little technical aspect of things can fix that. But I do believe that the coach himself has a lot of work to do in regards to the implementation of a system, so we can see it a lot more on a consistent basis. You can see them trying something, playing out from the back, going to the right back, midfielder come and fetch. You can see that. Overload on one side and switch it on the next. You can see these things. You can see that the coach has implemented these things. But what we need to work on now is moving the ball a bit faster, quicker transition, quicker touches, quicker passes. So these are now the aspects in which we need to work on. So this beating was tough. It's really, really tough and hard to take, but we can learn our lesson from it. Not because we lost means that we lost. This is actually a win in regards to what we can learn. We can grasp vast amount of knowledge from these type of game than any other game. When we play the lower tier teams, there's nothing much to learn from. They can't possibly beat up these teams. We don't learn anything. When we play these top teams now and get battered, this is where we learn something. So, okay, we can fix this. We need to do that. We need to get this correct. That's how football is. Anyways, people, I won't go any further. USA, I might do a player ratings quite soon. USA 5 pieces of chips. Jamaica 0. Yeah, 0. And until next time, people, hopefully you guys are doing good. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, people, and we'll see you guys again. We're out.